Okay. Hello you guys, we're back with another video. Ooh, my hair. But today is Saturday, a lovely Saturday. Sorry for the mess. That might look cute, but that's a natural light. But I'm getting ready to go. I didn't put on makeup. I wanted some lashes though. But it was my mom's. Well, it's like she's a good family friend, and her birthday was Tuesday, so she's having like a small lunch gathering today, and that's where we're going. So yeah, let's do the OOTD. Ooh, sorry for my room, it's under construction. But I have on this romper. Let's see if I can, hold on, it's getting dark. I have on this romper from Pretty Little Things. I'm kind of mad because it's big and I've been losing weight, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I have on some platform shoes. You know what? We're gonna do this. I'm gonna try to do this somewhere else. But yeah, I have on a romper from Pretty Little Things. I have on some platform shoes, some ASO. I love platform shoes. But yeah, the lighting has got horrible. But yeah. Okay, I'm still trying to work this camera as I go. Okay, it's zoomed in. Whoa, now I'm double chin. What happened to the... Oh my god. Okay, but yeah, natural lighting. But I have this romper on from Pretty Little Things. My shoes are platform shoes from ASO. I love platform shoes. But yeah, I'm going to have lunch at one of my favorite restaurants, Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. If you ever come to Dallas, Texas, go to South Lake, Texas, and go to Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. They got the best Kool-Aid, chicken, and waffles. They fish and stuff is okay, but I get chicken and waffles, yams, and Kool-Aid, and it's so good. But I'll see you guys later when we get there. Hopefully I remember to vlog. But peace out.
What you doing?